The ILIFE V9 robot vacuum combo boasts an impressive suction power of up to 3,000 pascals, making it highly effective at deep cleaning dust, pet hair, and debris from hard floors. With its 3-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality, the ILIFE V9 efficiently reduces cleaning time by handling both tasks simultaneously using its integrated water tank and dustbin. Equipped with intelligent gyroscope navigation, the ILIFE V9 ensures a more efficient cleaning process, covering your floors swiftly and thoroughly. The Smart App Control feature allows users to easily manage the ILIFE V9's cleaning schedules, suction power, and water flow, all from their smartphone, adding convenience to the cleaning routine. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Home makes operating the ILIFE V9 a breeze, offering hands-free management through simple voice commands. The ILIFE V9 offers multiple cleaning modes, including zigzag, spot, and edge, enabling users to tailor the cleaning process to meet various household needs.